There's mud.
Yeah, it's muddy here. In Mylar, the snow is pure white.
Yeah,
Because the snow is too much, right?
Yeah, they put 1,000 million, 50,000 million snow on top.
Yeah, 50,000 million snow on top.
They're scared.
You're scared.
Hi. Hi.
Hi! Kaya po, kaya yan!
I'm shaking my
Oh, there's a baby! Hi, baby! Hello, beautiful girl! Yeah, that's Kabayan!
We're both scared.
She said she's scared.
Oh, they're scared.
Are you still scared? Me, I'm not scared anymore now.
Me,
I'm
I'm not
comfortable.
even scared anymore.
Wow, that's amazing.
I'm
You're a
gonna
brave
fly.
girl.
I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly.
It's a beautiful place.
In my eye, it's a beautiful place. In my front of my eyes, I see the beautiful place when I go out the time.
Yesterday, we went to the place where Noah's Ark was in Noravank.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this Armenia is the first Christian country.
Before Philippines.
This is the place of Noah.
Yeah. This was a place of Noah.
You can see.
I could wish I could fly in this
Probable field.
I could wish
I
could
think
fly.
I thought you should say you should sing the song of Elsa.
I'll sing. I could wish I could fly.
No, that's not the Elsa song.
I just because I'm flying. See, we're flying. We're up.
We're up.
I could wish I could fly in this magical world, magic come true. In the magic world, the magic world, bring me up. We're just here, and look down the sky.
So
Don't drop your phone.
this time we are well prepared for the snow. We wore snow jackets. Last time when we went in Baku, our jackets were actually more of autumn jackets only. They were not snow jackets.
Yeah, they were.
Now this is really proper winter jacket we're wearing. And we don't feel the cold inside our body. And also we are wearing thermal clothes.
Okay, clown. Don't drop your phone.